Hi all. So today I am going to show you some basic command of Linux. So I already started my virtual machine, Oracle VirtualBox here. So I'm just starting the putty session. This is my app putty. So as in my previous video, I already shown you how to save the session. So this is my save session. I'm opening this, and I already set the default username in that. So it's directly prompting me the password of that root user. So enter password. Okay, I'm just finishing this. Okay, if you see, it's giving me a message: last login on Saturday, Feb this from 192.168.0.21. So 192.168.0.21 is my this native machine IP. So it's showing on last we have connected from native machine to this machine. Okay, now we have this. So what is the meaning of this? So this is a root, my user, localhost, the host name of this computer, which we never set yet. Okay, and this is showing present working directory, we are in which directory, and this hash is showing is a privileged user or normal user. If I will be login as a normal user, which we created at the time of installation, like I have created Tom, so I'm just switching a user. For switch a user, you have to do su-tom. Okay, so I became a Tom user. Now username is Tom @ localhost means host name is this. This tilde symbol is showing the present working directory, and now we have this dollar symbol. It's showing unprivileged mode. So this user is not having privilege to run all the commands on this PC. That's why it's showing dollar symbol. If you are having a hash symbol, that means you are a privileged user. You have a privilege to run all the commands. Okay, so I'm just typing exit. So I will be exit as a Tom and I will back as a root. Okay, so here is the root. So I have typed these things. See, root @ localhost tilde hash. So root username @ hostname of this tilde symbol is present working directory, and this is privilege mode. In case of Tom user, Tom @ localhost tilde dollar username, hostname, present working directory, and unprivileged mode, this dollar symbol. Okay, so there is a chunk on my screen, like I'm entering this. So if you want to clear your screen, you have a command clear, CLEAR. Press enter. So this clear screen is not deleting history or not erasing everything from your system. It's just clearing your screen. Okay, so what clear screen do? Clear screen will do, like once you enter the clear screen command, so it will take the cursor in the top, like it's a scroll down here. So if we go up on this, we have all this commands and history and everything. But if we try control clear, it will go up. So it just take the cursor to the bottom line and scroll this putty session down. Okay, you have shortcut like clear screen. You have shortcut control plus L. Control L. If you press this, that's the shortcut for clear screen. Okay, now I'm going to show you some basic command. So this is showing you tilde symbol. I told you the present working directory. So present working directory, if you want to check you are in which directory, see, in a Linux everything is a file. Okay, everything, there is no exe, nothing, so everything is a file. So I am typing pwd, present working directory. So my directory is /root now. Okay, so first we will see what are the content in this. So we have a command ls list. So we will do ls. So it's giving a list. This is the files and directories are present here in my system. So these black colors are the file, blue color are the directories. Okay, directory like nothing but as a folder you use in your Windows. It's just a comparison. Is In Linux, everything is file and directory. So this is another directory use. Okay. If you want to confirm this, you have long listing ls space l. So C is showing D. D means directory. See the first hyphen. Yeah, this will be more convenient. See this hyphen is showing as a normal file. This D is showing as a directory. So this is how you can compare if you are not getting this color and everything in your system. So you can see in this manner. Okay. So we have long listing ls-l or else you can do ll. Both are the same. Okay. This I will tell you what are these content and these things. So we are just focusing on the ls command. So we have ls-a. So what is ls-a? This to ls. These are the files which are present in my present working directory. If I go ls-a, so it will show you some files starting with the dot, dot, dot. So these are the hidden files. If you want to make a hidden file in this Linux system, you can start the name of that file with dot. So if you can see dot bash logout, dot bash history, these are the hidden files. If you want to see all the files like hidden and everything, you have to use ls-a. You can use ls-al. There's also you will get long list with all the hidden files. You can see. Okay. Yeah, multiple options are there. You can use as per your convenience. Then we can short with the name ls-capital S. So see is auto corrected. Files are on the top, then directories. So it's sorting in a sorted order. Is showing a output in a sorted order. See, we got one more content here. Author name. This last one. Root. Like if we do ll, so we are getting only these two column root. Now here we are seeing another column called author. Who is the author of this file and directory? Okay. So in this manner you can see, or else if you know the name only, like we have cfg file .cfg which ending with .cfg, and you don't know the name of this file and you want to list that file starting with ending with .cfg. So what you can do, star dollar cfg. So it will show you only those files who is ending with .cfg. See, or you can do ll star cfg. So star is the wildcard. So you it's been replaced by any of the name. So there is no line defined, nothing. Star means everything before this can be done. Okay, but file name should enter with .cfg. Okay, so pwd we are in /root. If we want to see /root is containing which type of file, we will do ls. If you want to do long listing, ls-l. If you want to see hidden file, ls-la or only a hidden file which is starting with dot. If you want to search a pattern like all the file which is ending with cfg, ll star dot cfg. So it will show you those file who is ending with .cfg. Or if you want to check all the files starting with a, the name of a star. See, it's showing the file starting with a name. Okay, if you want to shorten order, ls hyphen capital S, so it will get sorted in alphabetical order. Then first it will show the files ls yes, file name, then it's showing the directories. So this is in large in size, so it's in the top. Sorting in not in alphabetical order, is sorting by size. ls-s denotes the size here. So the like heaviest or the largest file will be on top and the smallest file will be on bottom. So as this directory is having the content but it's not showing size over here, it's showing 6 kb kb kb, so it's on like bottom and this file is on top. Initialization setup ks.cfg. Okay, so it's sorting by the size. Okay, now we will able to list all the things. If you want to see the content of any file, like we have ls-l, we have these files anaconda and initial set. So if you want to see the content of any file, you use cat command, cat, yes, then name of that file which you want to see the content of it. If I press enter, it will be like everything, every content of the file will be displayed on your terminal window. See, this file is having this detail here. So yeah, here we have execute command. After this, start. This is the content of this anaconda.cfg file. Okay, yeah. See, cat is used to display content of text file and concatenate server's files into one. You do not find these files. Okay, so this I will show you later how to concatenate two files using a cat. Okay, first we will do cat-b, add line number to non-blank lines. So cat-b, see, we are having a line number. Or let me create a small file for you so it will be more convenient to understand. I'm creating Tom. I will tell you this how to use this VI editor later. So first we will get familiar with cat command. Or let's okay. So now we will create a file, cat file name Tom. Here we will pass the content of that file. All this is Tom. Normal users for this system on my state. If we want to save this, press Ctrl D, end of the line. Okay, if we will do ls-l, we will able to see new file created over here, Tom, which size is 66. Okay, if you want now, if we'll do long list with sorting, this size is on third number according to size. Okay, so we'll do cat Tom to see the content of that Tom file. Okay, it's showing hi all, this is Tom, normal user for this system, have a nice day. Okay, now we will add the number to this file, -b, then the file name. See, and number 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's showing number. If you'll use -n, so we have this blank line in this file. See, it's showing that line is code. Earlier it was not showing, it's showing blank. So we are not sure there is a file line or not. So it's a blank line. So it will add a number to blank line as well. But if you use cat-b, only the line is having the content, it will give a number to this. Or let me create a one more interesting. I'm appending this Tom. And Ctrl D, and again if we cat Tom to see the content, we have blank line here. Okay, now it will be clear to us. Cat-b Tom. See, it's not giving any number to blank line, but if we use cat-n, Tom, you'll get a number to that line as well. Okay, so you can use according to you, according to situation. As this is used to squeeze blank line into one line. Okay, so cat hyphen s Tom. So if you have multiple lines, so it will have only one line. Like if you are having 5 blank line, it will show you only one line as a line. So for this, what we can do, cat, again we can append Tom. We are giving 5 line, then good by control D, cat Tom. Okay, so now we will see cat hyphen and Tom. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 blank line over here, and if you do cat hyphen s Tom, so it's showing only one line. There is 7 line, oh sorry, 4 lines blank over here, but it's showing one. It's not making any changes to that file. It's just showing the content of that file. Using hyphen f, you can like squeeze down all the blank line into one. Okay, and if you use cat hyphen e Tom, see where we have pressed enter key or end of the line, it's showing dollar symbol. So it's just knowing that we have entered this end of the line is here. We have pressed enter over here. So while creating this, while entering the content to this file, we have pressed enter over here, dollar. So end of the file is replaced by dollar symbol. Okay, so this is all about cat. If you want to create or see the content of file, so you use cat, then file name, cat file name, then hyphen b is for blank line. It will add a number to the non-blank line. Cat hyphen n, line number to all the lines. Hyphen h, skews the blank line to one. Hyphen e. But this is for creating seeing the content. If you want to create a file, how you will create? cat cat greater than symbol, then the file name. Like I am giving file 1. Okay. Now it's prompting us to enter the content of this file. So I am typing hi, this is file 1. Okay. Dot, and I am pressing enter, and to giving a end of file command, I am pressing Ctrl and D. Okay. Now we will list here ls file 1 is here. Okay. If I again do this cat file name, file is already present, so I am entering this. Hi, again this is file 1. Enter, Control D to save this content. Okay, now what is happening to this? Like is getting override. Hi again. This says this content which we have entered earlier, it got override with this. But if you want to append this, like you have this file, cat file is having this content, and you want to enter another line, you want to append this file. What you will do? Cat. This symbol is for overwriting or creating a file, but if you use twice, then you can append a file. File 1. I am appending this file. Dot control plus D. Now we will see the content of this file. Cat file 1. See, it got appended. After appending this, we are having the content of both the file, both lines in this one file. Okay. So cat this file 2 will create a file, and we can add a content. Okay. So we will say hi, this is file 2. Okay. Then Control D. If you see the content of this file, file 2, this is file 2. If you want to append this, cat double file 2. I am appending this file dot control D. And we will see the content of file 2 again, file 2. Okay, now we have two files. Let me clear my screen. We have two files, ls-l. We have file 1 and we have file 2. Okay, so what we are going to show you, cat file 1, file 2. If I press enter, what will happen? It will show the content of file 1 first here, then content of file 2 is here. In a single command, we are able to see file 1 and file 2 content over here. See, if you want to pass the content of file 1 to file 2, what you can do? File 1, file 2. So this will get overwritten, so I am appending this. So now we will see there is no changes in file 1, we are just changing file to file 2. See, this is file 2, file appending the file, this is file 2 content, and again this is file 1, I am appending this file. So means the content of file 1 got transfer or append to file 2. We are using this symbol. If we use cat file 1 single symbol of greater than, then it will get override file 2. If you do this, so file 2 will have content of file 1 only. The file 2 content was got overridden. See, this is a file 1. This is a file 1. I am appending this file. So in this manner, you can see you can use cat in a multiple way to see the content, to create a new file, to append a file, or to transfer of content of one file to another file, to override a file, to see the content of two files in a single command. So there are multiple ways to use this cat command. So this is the creation of file and all the things. The short command, now we are going to do short. Okay, if you do these things, nothing will happen. It will just prompt for like content. But if you want to see the content of this short file 1, okay, it's showing in that order only because it's not hanging. So I am creating a file cat number. Okay, so I am entering a number in a random manner. There is no sequence. So okay, now I am just ending this by control D, cat number. So we are having this number. Now we'll use short number. So what is going to do? See, blank line is on top, then 0, 1, 2, 22, 234 is sorting by first character. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 7, 8. So it's just comparing the first number. Okay, so according to this is the correct number. Or if we are using if we are having cat alpha, we type some alphabet A, Z, X, C, T. Okay, I'm pressing control D, cat alpha. Okay, this is the content. If you sort alpha, what is known A, B, P, C, E, F, G, So it's sorting all the things by the first character of this line. Okay. So according to alphabet, it's getting short. Okay. And if you use number, so according to the first character of this 1 to 22, so it's checking the first one only and it's sorting the number. So this is a short command. If you want to do short hyphen r, if you use this with number, what is going is sorting in a reverse order. So the 8 number on top, then 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then blank line. Okay, and if you use this in a alphanumeric value or alpha value, see Z on the top and A on bottom, then blank line. Okay, so we will use this short command according to our need. So this is all about file and creating a file, sorting a file, listing a file, and content, seeing the content of that file, creating a file, appending a file. Okay, this is all about this. So we have worked on the file and all the things, and these things, privileged user or non-privileged user. So if you see hash is for privileged user, and if you see dollar here, so then it's an unprivileged user. Then field symbol is showing present working directory pwd. So it's showing /root. If I go /change directory cd etc. See, it's showing etc. So I will do pwd and showing etc. So in this manner it gets changed. So it's not going to show you entire path. Sometimes it goes to first character only, like it's showing etc only. So in this manner, this root, username, host name of this, and you are in which directory, and you have privilege to run command or not. So in this manner, you can identify this. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye bye.